3 myths and misconceptions of CMA US. Now, first of all, we are going to be talking about, like I said, US CMA. So, myth number 1 is US CMA is better or worse than Indian CMA. Let me break this. First of all, please stop trying to compare. There are reasons why all qualifications exist. And if you are eligible for both, then there is a chance that both have value. So Indian CMA is extremely deeply integrated in the Indian system, very well recognized in India. A lot of people do it and have made careers out of it, and it has its own pros and cons. US CMA, however, is relatively new age. It gives us few pros like global mobility, right? Because it's a global qualification. You can complete it in a shorter span of time. Many students who want to jumpstart their career quickly with relatively high value, CMA US is a great opportunity. So please don't compare. The first myth I would like to debunk is it's not better or worse. It's actually what you make of it. You can do both. Two people can do each of these qualifications and have an equally successful career. Or one of them can really outperform the other. But it is nothing to do with the qualification. It's to do with the candidate. So please don't compare. Number 2. CMA is lesser in value than CPA. Now, we know CPA is USCA, CMA is management accounting of the US versus India. So think about it like this. US has CPA as CA, India has their Indian CA. US has CMA as management accounting, India has its own management accounting. Now, people feel that CPA is better than CMA, and in a lot of cases it is. The answer is, however, it is still back to you as an individual. Let's say you want to get into the field of audit, right? And let's say you are wanting to go and sign audited statements in the US, and you are a graduate. With your criteria and your goals, CPA is definitely better. CMA will not get you anywhere. However, CMA has its own advantage. It is recognized for its own reason. CMA is all about management accounting. It does management accounting better than CPA. There are people who can help businesses and organizations better as a CMA. Like, they know how to understand consumers, they know how to fix price points, they know how to analyze situations, they know what changes to make within an organization. Imagine you're working for Google and you're a CMA. You can suggest to Google that, I think a subscription amount for YouTube should change a little bit because we're making so much of revenue with so many customers. Our unit economics are XYZ. So this is all what a CMA can do. Now, a CPA may be able to do this, but might have focused on something else. And again, what you become is on you as a candidate. So please, once again, as the first point, even the second point is CPA is great, it's valuable. So is CMA. Don't compare. Both can turn out to be better or worse based on what you make out of it. Next, CMA alone is not enough. So people also, and especially people who've just given their grade 12 and are figuring what to study, can I do CMA and then CPA and then CA and then CFA and then MBA? They really start, and it's very fun to think theoretically that, I want to do so much, and today I have so much energy and I'm going to have a crystal clear plan on how to take it up. But it is not so simple. In fact, the better way is pick up any one thing and just go for it. So if you pick up CMA, the beauty of CMA is you can do it within a year. You can do it literally up to the age of 18. And once you do it, you can start working and apply your skill in the real world. In a very short span of time, you not only get the academic knowledge, but the reputation of a global qualification, plus a couple of years of experience to figure out if it's good for you or not. And then based on that, you can decide if you need to do another qualification. If you think that after doing CMA and after working for a couple of years, let's say you loved getting into for example, you loved the business side of it, but to get to the next level, you must do an MBA. Okay, then do an MBA. But so I've only pursued one qualification. I know tons of us who've only pursued one qualification. Some of them who've done CMA US with me and within Zell, and they are extremely self-sufficient with CMA, building their career, showing more value to the marketplace, and that's all you need. So please don't confuse value with the number of degrees. CMA US is sufficient if you again make the best out of it.